What is good, YouTube? We are back with another video on the OEM Plus YouTube channel. Today, tired, sleepy, but I must go on. What am I doing today? So I adjusted my coilovers. You guys saw that video where I changed out the helper springs. I waited a little bit to see if these shits were gonna settle and lower, but they did not. So they still look a little high up front. I am going to show you how to measure twice, adjust once on your coilover engine. With that, these are AST 5100 coilovers. Great coilovers, very easy to maneuver, manage, work on, adjust, all that stuff. So shouldn't take too long, but I'll just kind of walk you guys through how I do it personally. You can take my advice or not, doesn't matter. But we're here, so it's gonna be front, boom. I'm gonna measure all four sides and see where we're at, and see just how low I need to bring it down so I can be sitting right. Let's go. So let's go and get to it. Get this show on the road. What I like to use is dry erase board, because I like to write down my measurements. I'm actually gonna draw a picture first. So let's do a box, and then we'll do 1 wheel, 2 wheel, 3 wheel, 4 wheel, front, rear. Check out my picture. Boom. That's my picture. So I use that to write my measurements down. That's so I know what's what. And then just go around and take my tape measure and I measure. So I know my rears are good, but I just want to make sure I measure it from the bottom, from the floor. I'm on a flat surface, which is great. All the way up to the wheel arch here. So we're at about 26 and a quarter. 26 and a quarter. Write that down. Now we go up front. Let's see what this one is. 26 and 3/4. That's pretty much what I was expecting. Go around this side, do these two. This one's 26 and a half. And this one is 26 and almost 3/4. 26 and a half, 26 and almost 3/4. All right, so the rear and the back right is 26 quarters. So it's looking like the front, both sides have to go down about 1/2 inch. And then shit, I might have to adjust the rear. The driver's side rear, about 1/4 inch. All right, so use this. What I like to do so I can get more precise measurements is I use one of these things before I even start taking stuff off. Millimeters. All right, so 1/2 inch drop up front. Shouldn't be too much, but it should be just right. So let's get to it. This is the tools you need to adjust. My phone is ringing. I think I need an Allen wrench too. I think it's this one. The 5 mil, yeah. Okay. So, as you can see, here is the, the ring that you have to adjust to move the spring or the column here or whatever that is, whatever you want to call it, up or down. So since I need to lower it, I need to spin this down 1/2 inch, and that should settle it, or so I think. And then I just do the same thing on the other side. Easy enough? Easy enough. You guys know me. Love my headlamps. Best thing ever. All right. So I need my measuring tool here. Turn it on. And tolerance. All right, so first, you just want to get in here, and that's too big. I do need the 4. You loosen this up. Loosen that up. I think I'm gonna do this a different way than I normally would. This thing is acting like a bitch. All right, so my digital thing isn't working, so I have to use. All right, so I think my battery died, but there's little ticks here, if you can see it. So I got it at 5, 1/2 inch. Then what I did is take this, line that up there, 1/2 inch, and then I'll put painter's tape on that thread that it's sitting up against. So once I get it down to where that thread is, I'll know exactly which thread line it is to stop. And yeah, from there, should be pretty dead set as well. So, you know, gotta get a little creative solution sometime, but that works. 1/2 inch. So, then you take this. Let me see if I can do this with. Everything is just dying on me, man. That fucking light just died. Ring or my locking Allen key is right here, which is a good spot because I can just get it in there like that. Don't want to go crazy with tightening this thing. So yeah, that's that there. So let's put the wheel back on and see where we're at. That's a little better. All right, 26 1/4. No, it's the same. Shit didn't drop. So, didn't drop much. So I guess I'm gonna go down another 1/4 inch and see how that sits. This is what you gotta do. So you just do it once on one side and you repeat it on the other side, and it's pretty much, hopefully. All right. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count some threads here, and then when I do the other side, I will measure from here down. So I'll count some more threads. 10, so 5 threads. And I'll see where that's at. And I'll go down 5 more threads and yeah, see how that's at. All right, back on the ground. Looks a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, 26.5, I can live with that. Yeah, all right, so we're at 26.5, and I know exactly where I gotta move the collar. So it's about 1/2 inch above the sway bar in-link mounting bracket there. So I'm gonna do that on the other side and should be good. Yeah, and I guess this is good because I am gonna upgrade the tires. I'm gonna bring the 285s up front, bit 295s in the back. So That should be good, because I might have to go up a quarter in the rear, depending on if I, how I want to run my camber. So we'll see, but should be good like this. So let's go ahead and rock with this. Finish getting all this stuff back on. Tighten down everything at the end. Oh, definitely not doing this one-handed. Yep, 26.5. Right on the dot. Boom. And there you have it, folks. That is it for today's video. Quick, dirty, down and dirty. How to adjust your coilovers. Measure twice, adjust once. In my case, adjust twice, because that's just how it is with me. So that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna tighten down everything, make sure it's good to go. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna take it out and see how it drives and everything. I haven't done that yet. Probably should get to that soon. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's a pretty easy thing. I just try to get everything as dialed and accurate as possible. I'm not really a numbers person, but when it comes to like these type of things with measurements and stuff like that, geometry, I try to make it even and balanced so everything is kind of, I guess, symmetrical on this suspension front and the wheels. So that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, comment, run the numbers up, and keep dropping content. And catch you guys later on the next one, and we'll get this bad boy out on the road ASAP. Peace.